In a dusty corner of the internet, I found something I forgot about. Apparently in 2009, I was a YouTuber. And I was really into puzzles. I wasn't fast, I wasn't fancy, but I was obsessed. Rubik's Cubes, brain teasers, logic puzzles, that was my world.
Okay, so this is like a puzzle collection.
Time has passed and life has changed, but part of me always wondered, can I still solve one today? 15 years later, I'm not a speedcuber, never was, but I was a curious kid. Let's see if this part of me still remembers how to solve these things. This isn't about speed, this is about memory, nostalgia, and to see what stuck. If you were here back then, shout out to you. And if it's your first time here, hit that like, subscribe, and stick around. Let's see what my brain remembers one puzzle at a time.